Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I am going to take you through the AI functionality integrated into our Flask application. Like our application use an AI powered assistant to help verify the authenticity of user submitted data. When a user submit a contact form, the app collect details like name, email, subject and message. Okay, so before saving the data to our CSV file, we pass this field to our AI module. So our AI module will be check whether the name is realistic or the email match a valid pattern, uh, or it is genuine or not, and the project title is genuine, or the message is coherent and meaningful, or is it like a just a gibberish message. If it is not the authentic message, then it should warn the user that your detail is inappropriate. Kindly submit some genuine message, or whatever you want you can show to the user. And if it is genuine, then it will add the detail to your database, and it should show to the user like some thank you message. So without delay, let's dive in. Okay, so let's get it started. So here I am going to fill the details. Okay, this is my form, and let me reload it. So here you can see there is no message and nothing. And here the first of all I will put the gibberish name. Okay, other fields I am going to give appropriate. Okay, so I'm taking here John example. Okay, so john at the rate gmail.com, and here I am giving as a AI service, and let me paste the message. So this is just for time saving. Okay, so this looks like us like a genuine message. Okay, John is asking something related to the their project. Okay, so if I will try to submit this, so let's see. So here it's showing kindly submit a genuine message. So if I will show you the terminal also, here you can see the name was something gibberish, and the other fields was genuine, but it's showing like message coherence check field. So what does it means? It means there should be every field genuine. Okay, once the every field will be genuine, then only it will submit successfully. Okay, now I am taking the first name as the correct one, and email and other fields, email I will take as a wrong, and other fields I will take as a genuine one only. So let's check it for email also. So how it's work? So this is the gibberish one, and here I will take the subject as a previous one, and here let me type hi, I am John, wanted to connect related to AI project, and something you can whatever. Okay, so this is the simple message. So if I will try to submit, so it's asking me to please enter the valid email. Okay, because this is not matching the pattern of the email. So if I will match the pattern also, so there is something dot, this is match the pattern of email. So in this scenario, let's see. So again it's showing kindly submit a genuine message, because that pattern was matching as email one, but that was not the genuine email. Okay, so if you see again here in the last, here you can see the name was correct John, and this email was not correct one. And if you see here message coherence check failed, again we are getting the same message. If I will give the both thing as a correct one, the third one is a gibberish, and the fourth one is correct one, then you can see again we are getting the kindly submit a genuine message. Okay, so here if I will show you the, this again is showing message coherence check field. Here you can see the project is this is the some gibberish one, and other fields was the correct one. Okay, let me reload it again, and let's see the last one. So name again John, email is John, and AI related service, and here this time this is something gibberish. Here again we are getting the same thing. Okay, so again if I will show you, here we are getting the same thing. Okay, this time let's fill the all fields as a genuine one. So John, AI something, all the fields are same, uh, are looks genuine. This time let's see what's happened. Yeah, this time you can see we are getting the thank you message, and this is something I mentioned in a backend, like it will show you something like random message of thank you. Instead of thank you, it will give you the in different language, it will give you the message. Like if this time again I am, let me put something Mary, and something like Mary Lopez at the rate gmail.com, and this is related to related to a rag, and let me, hi, I am Mary and wanted to connect to related rag project, and here we can mention the phone also. My phone number is mentioned below, and phone is something like anything. So okay, and thanks. So this time it will show something else, and we can see this thing in our database also. Okay, let's check the database. So if I will open this, so here you can see two fields which I only two fields is getting filled in my database, and other was I tested before, so that are not this one. If you see here, this is hi, I'm John, wanted to connect related to AI project, and the second one is for Mary, which I just now I filled. Okay, here also you can see related to a rag AI service. Okay, so if let's come into the code part. So here I am using the grok, and for that we need obviously a API key, so that uh, you can generate from the grok official website. I will give the link in the description. Okay, then I created one function. Okay, in that I mentioned my email name and project. This is usually the this was the subject one only. I gave as a project and message, and then I gave a prompt. So this prompt, if you need, I will give in the description also. So what I mentioned in the prompt, I gave as a like you are an intelligent assistant that evaluate the authenticity of user submitted data. Your task is to determine if the provided information is genuine or gibberish or bullying or inappropriate, and you need to make sure you use the following rules. So I give some rules to this, like must be a realistic name like Emma, John, or Emma, and check if the name exists in the dictionary of common names or match the realistic pattern. And the second thing I gave a example, and this is like it should not be in the uh, in the input. So here I give as an example no garbage like RTU and this. Okay, for email also I give the same thing like must follow a valid email pattern, like this is the example for email pattern, and reject email that are unrealistic or invalid. Okay, for project, or you can say the subject, for that also I gave like must resemble a genuine project name, and examples I mentioned like professional inquiry, job opportunity, tech questions, etc. And reject project are be gibberish or inappropriate. Examples are these. And for message also I mentioned like must be coherent and meaningful, and examples are acceptable messages are like this. And for reject message I mentioned it should not be gibberish, bullying or inappropriate. For example, these are the examples. Okay, after that I mention you should be return yes if all the fields are genuine, and return no if these are gibberish. Then we are taking all the things in our chat completion, and in content I am providing my prompt. Okay, then here this model I am using llama 3.3. You can use something else also if you want, if you have access of that. Okay, so here I am taking the response in my answer variable. Then here I am just simply uh, returning the boolean value, like if it is yes in answer then return true, if it is false, if it is no or something else then return simply false. Okay, so here I am just getting two things, true or false. So here in my, here I am just creating my database. In my database these are the fields, here the main part is coming. So if there is something else I am giving here no. So if there is something else, so you should print as a message coherence check field, which we were getting at the time of failing message coherence check field. You can change it as per your choice. And in the else part I am just saving my data into the database. Okay, and here it returning true. And for that coming for that submitting form, like whenever we are submitting the form, at that time we were getting something different, like sometimes it's showing thank you or tashikkular. For that I created the submit form. And here what I did, I am using the flash message, and in that I am taking the random with choice. Here I put some like dhanyavad, gracious, thank you, tashikkular, shukran. And it is, I am taking it for success message. So if it is success one, success means here if I'll show you my HTML part. So in my HTML here I'm taking, if my flash message is success one, then it should take this message whatever is here. In that it will take some random choice from that one, and with that it will merge, it will merge like for your message will acknowledge it soon. So it will look like come Samida, for your message will acknowledge it soon. So like that it will I am taking it for warning message. So if there is something inappropriate, it will take the message from here, from warning kindly submit, and other thing it will take a genuine message. So kindly submit and then a genuine message. So a genuine message will be in the simple one, and the color of the kindly submit will be the warning message, means orange color. Like that there is a danger and other things. So yeah, the main thing is to use in my submit form is this LLM. So yeah, that was the functionalities behind that form. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please share and subscribe my channel. If you have any other idea, you can suggest me and we'll work on that together. For now, thank you.